There are various types of soils found in India. Alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, arid soil, mountain soil, saline soil, peaty and marshy soil. Let's understand their main features. Alluvial soil. It is very fertile soil found in India. It is formed by accumulated sediments brought by rivers. The alluvial soil is found in West Bengal, Assam, Odisha, plains of Gujarat, river valleys, Ganga-Brahmaputra, deltas of Godavari-Krishna, coastal strip of peninsular India and Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. The alluvial soil is classified into two types: Bhangar, old alluvium, and Khadar, new alluvium. Khadar is loamy and porous, whereas Bhangar is clayey and non-porous. It is agriculturally the most important soil as it is rich in minerals like potash and lime. The alluvial soil is best for crops like rice, sugarcane, wheat, gram, and tobacco. Black soil. The black soil is also known as lava or volcanic soil. It is formed by the decomposition of lava rocks. The black soil is found in the Deccan Plateau, covering large areas of Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu, along with valleys of Godavari, Krishna, Narmada and Tapi. It is rich in minerals like lime, potash, calcium carbonate and iron. The black soil is black in color due to its rich iron content. The black soil lacks in phosphorus, nitrogen and organic matter. Do you know this soil has high moisture retention level? Crops like wheat, sugarcane, tobacco, oilseeds grow well in this soil. Red soil. It is formed in situ by the decomposition of metamorphic rocks. The red soil is found in the eastern and southern parts of Deccan Plateau and Odisha, Chhattisgarh, southern parts of Middle Ganga Plains. It is suitable for dry farming because it does not require much moisture. The red soil is red in color due to the presence of iron compounds. Crops like millets, pulses, linseed, and tobacco grow well in this soil. Laterite soil. It is the typical soil of the monsoon climate. It is also red in color. Laterite soil is formed due to extreme leaching and heavy rainfall. Do you know, leaching is the process by which the nutrients in the soil are washed away by heavy rains. It is found in the hilly regions of eastern and western Ghats and Assam hills. Laterite soil is acidic in nature and supports pastures and scrub forests. It is rich in iron, bauxite, and aluminium oxide. Coffee, rubber, cashew are some of the crops cultivated in this soil. Arid soil. It is also known as desert soil. Arid soil is sandy in texture and very light in color. It is formed as a result of mechanical weathering of rocks. It is found in western Rajasthan, northern Gujarat, and southern Punjab. The arid soil contains a high proportion of salts. This region can grow crops like wheat, bajra, gram, jowar, grapes and melon. Mountain soil. The soil in the mountainous region contains gravel and stones. The mountain soil is formed due to the mechanical weathering caused by snow, rain, and temperature variations. It is found in the hilly regions of Jammu and Kashmir, Sikkim, and Arunachal Pradesh. The mountain soil is rich in iron and humus, but deficient in lime and potash. It is suitable for the cultivation of tea, coffee plantation, and fruits like apples, plums, apricot and cherries. Peaty and marshy soil. It is found in the Sundarbans area of West Bengal, the coastal areas of Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and in Terai belt of Uttar Pradesh. The marshy soil is formed in areas of adjoining soil because of continuous presence of water. It is rich in iron and organic substances. It is suitable for the cultivation of jute. Saline and alkaline soils. These soils occur in areas that have little more rainfall. These soils occur in the arid and semi-arid regions and waterlogged and swampy areas and are found in western Gujarat and Rajasthan, deltas of the eastern coast, and in the Sundarbans of West Bengal. These soils are known by various local names like Rehe, Kalar, Usar, Rakar, Thur, Karl, and Chopan, etc. These are deficient in calcium and nitrogen and hence very low water-bearing capacity. These soils are suitable for the cultivation of a variety of crops like rice, wheat, cotton, sugarcane, and tobacco. These are the different types of soil found in India.